I'm Edyta Niemczyk and I work as a PhD candidate at Luxembourg Institute of Science and Technology on special arranged polymer chains called interpenetrating polymer networks, which are suitable for the coatings. Right now, industry is tackling the problem of lack of versatile performance polymer coatings. Often one polymer cannot fulfill all the requirements, for example, the special surface smartness and the mechanical strength. Therefore, the combination of few polymers are necessary. So what we do in our team is processing the polymer come from the sustainable sources. On top of that, we are using the new source of energy called plasma to prepare those coatings. Later, we develop the properties of those coatings by advanced analysis methods to be more suitable for the requirements coming from the industry. We believe that interpenetrating polymer networks will have the huge impact on society by application in medical industry, especially as a coatings for artificial bones, artificial teeth, and as a hydrogels.